So, all right, you're welcome to another analysis and recap. So, this is BTC on the daily time frame. If you watch my previous video, the video that I dropped on GR40, I would like you guys to go back and see it. So, here you have using the concept of the previous day high and low. So, let me just brush through. Here, if you notice, this is on Thursday, 5th of February, price swept the low and reversed aggressively. On Saturday, this candle was created on Saturday. Definitely price swept the high of that candle. Price dropped down drastically. Also, the same concept is applied here. There's also the continuation pattern of this. So you have it here. So this is your previous day high concept. So you apply it here and I made a good trade from this. So you have your previous day high. You can do that with weekly and monthly. Those are strong point of liquidity. You can do that also. So yeah, this is it. So now what I did is that from this I moved down to the lower time frame. Immediately the sweep happened here. I moved down to the lower time frame. Just to check for some confirmation that I always look out for. So don't know why this stuff is lagging, but let's wait and see. All right, so we have this here. Sorry, this is 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour, right? On the 4 hour, there is nothing clear here for me to like. Okay, I want to go there. So I'll go down to the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and see if I can spot my entry model since the previous day high has been taken. So let's wait. I don't know what is causing this lag, but let's wait. So all right, so we are now on the what do I call it, 15 minutes 30-minute time frame. So now the 30-minute time frame, my entry model, I didn't spot my entry model. So yeah, you can, there's a way I trade this. Okay, so you can go to the 15-minute time frame. Let me just make it clear and straightforward. Now from the 15-minute time frame, so this is what I did. I spotted there's this inversion fair value gap here. You can use this also for those that can use this as aggressive entry from here. You get, so this swing high is here. All right, this swing high is here. You can use this immediately that displacement. Immediately you spot that displacement and price created the fair value gap, then you can use it as your entry. So what I used on this particular trade was I made use of this inversion fair value gap. Then I use it as my entry. My stop, I place my stop here. All right, I place my stop here. Then I target 1:4. So I posted, the trade is on my Twitter. Target 1:4. Now the reason why I was comfortable enough to target 1:4 because I already know my draw on liquidity. I know where the price is. I'll have 80% conviction that okay, the price immediately that high was swept. I know that okay, the price was heading to somewhere. So now this is where the price was going to. Immediately there is a sweep of the previous day high. So okay, the reversal want to happen now, right? So my target was here, this daily fair value gap. Now this daily fair value gap was my target. Then you see everything was met perfectly. All right, so now for today's analysis that we are going to do for today, is now this is the daily time frame, right? This daily fair value gap. So you mark your daily fair value gap, right? Now this daily fair value gap, here you have this is your order block, daily order block also, daily OB. So this is your daily OB. So price is there already. So two combination of two PDRA. So what you do is you go to the 4-hour time frame for refinement. Now on the 4-hour time frame, right? On the 4-hour time frame, what do you have on the 4-hour time frame? On the 4-hour time frame, you have this fair value gap. Now on the fair value gap here, right? On the fair value gap here, like me now, I want price to come to the 50% of this fair value gap, then to move up. That is what I'm expecting. I want price to come to that 50% fair value gap, then move up. So we have this here now. So one thing I normally do is I will take the range of that particular market. Take the range for that particular market. So there's a sweep here, sweep of liquidity here. Alright, so also here there is a sweep here that happened. Alright, then so here I will take my range this high to this low. So now this fair value gap fall under the discount level. So now on the discount level, I will be looking for what? For a buy. So I'm expecting price to come to 50% of this fair value gap, then we buy higher. So this is what I have for BTC. This is what I have for BTC, and also for gold. I did analysis on the gold also. So let's see for gold what I did on gold. The gold was, I think, straightforward. So the gold here, the price action here is quite here. So here now there is, I've marked my range already. So this is the range high, this is the range low. There is a sweep of liquidity here. All right, there's a sweep of liquidity here. Now this inside this range, all right, price traded upward to the 50% of this fair value gap, then fall back into this 4-hour fair value gap, right? Fall into this 4-hour fair value gap, then traded up again into the 50% level, then created the fair value gap. Merely price filled the fair value gap. Now this is on Thursday 12, then this on Thursday 12. Now let me show you something. This is what happened here. Now you have this here. You have this here. This on Thursday, this other block that was created on Thursday, price traded into it, then move upward, created another fair value gap. So now I believe that price will fill into this fair value gap, then rally up. So this just is very straightforward. Is what I'm expecting on gold also. I'm bullish on gold, and also I'm bullish on BTC. So yeah, this is it. And stay safe and risk wisely. See you tomorrow for confirmation of how the market play out. Bye bye.